Imagine a guy who wanted to control the world, but couldn't even control his own mustache. That's Adolf Hitler. Germany after World War I was a mess. Inflation exploding, money worth nothing, people annoyed at everything. Into this chaos walks Hitler like, "Don't worry, I have a plan." Spoiler, it was a terrible plan. He joins a tiny political group, shouts a lot, gestures like he's fighting invisible flies, and somehow becomes the leader. They rename it the Nazi Party. Bad decision number one. In the 1930s, the economy collapses again. Hitler promises jobs, pride, and a stronger Germany. People buy it. Bad decision number two. He becomes chancellor, then turns democracy off like a light switch. Now it's a dictatorship. He builds a massive army, launches aggressive policies, and targets groups he didn't like, leading to huge suffering and crimes on a historic scale. Then he decides, let's conquer Europe, because apparently his hobby was collecting countries. He invades Poland. Boom, World War II begins. The world collectively face bombs. Early on, Germany wins fast. Then Hitler makes the ultimate mistake, invading the Soviet Union. In winter, fighting Russia in winter is like challenging ice to a boxing match. Meanwhile, the Allies Britain, the US, the USSR, and others team up like the world's strongest group project. Germany starts losing, battles go from bad to worse. Hitler hides in a bunker, reality closes in, and his regime collapses completely. And that's Hitler, a dictator with destructive ideas who dragged the world into war and ended up destroying everything, including his own rule. Like and subscribe for more history so simple, even a baby gets it.